Hi friends, we have beautiful birds here and we're going to read chapter 2 now. Bird skills. This is an owl here and he's feasting on a snake. Birds have excellent eyesight. They use their eyes to spot food. Some eat plants, some eat fruit, some eat other creatures including bugs, mice, and snakes. This is a warbler. He says tweet. This is a duck. He says quack. Can you say quack? This is a parrot. He says hello. Can you say that? And a toucan. He says squawk. Can you make those bird sounds? Birds make sounds to communicate with other birds. Parrots can even be trained to repeat words. Migrating geese fly together in a V shape. See, if we put it like that, it makes a V. Can you make a V with your fingers? V. Some birds migrate. They travel long distances every year. They fly to cool places for summer and warm places for the winter. A mother robin feeds a grasshopper to her chicks. All birds lay eggs. Many birds build nests. Nests are a perfect place to lay eggs. They also are a perfect place to raise chicks. See that? And next we'll read chapter 3.